Alright guys, so this is going to be a video on some new parts that I got for myself. Bought myself some new computer parts, and I'm just going to show them here as I work through them. This one I think I'll post a video on this. I've already opened this one up. Actually, the camera that is filming this right now is this one. So we'll see. It has some weird delays, but I'll talk about that in a different video. And then the motherboard. You can see the motherboard's right here. Cool. Alright, so got an ASUS Z790 plus Wi-Fi 990 EVO because I'm cheap, 2 terabyte M2. I got the Intel i7 14th gen. This is the 14700K, so I'm pretty excited about that because it has a lot of cores. It literally has 20 cores, 8 P cores and 12 E cores. So P, I think, stands for performance, and E is the probably economic or economy core. But 20 cores, that's crazy. I'm coming from, my current system is a 4790K, my desktop. So that's 4th gen, and now I'm upgrading to a 14th gen. So pretty excited on that. Obviously doesn't come with a cooler. I didn't buy a super expensive cooler. You think maybe I would. The CPU is like $400, and so instead I bought a cheap cooler, but I bought the best, in my opinion, cheap cooler you can get. I don't remember the price. Last video I made, I kind of was wrong on the prices. I think it was like 50 bucks. I don't know. Probably something like that. And then I got this Crucial DDR 5 RAM. So I got 32 gigs, 2x16. So pretty excited. That's going to be rad. And then I got the Tough Gaming motherboard. So let's go ahead and open this up. Help if I brought something that can cut. We'll use a pencil. Pencils are multi-purpose. There we go. Let me move these out of the way. Let's just see what this looks like on the inside here. Pretty nice box. What you would expect, I think, from motherboard boxes. They always look the same over the years, in my opinion. Oh, look at that. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, I think. Wi-Fi moving antenna. So you can take the antenna, it's got a little cord with it. I guess that means I can take it and put it somewhere else. It's not going to be like sticking out the back of the motherboard, but it'll be you know, on top of your case or wherever you want to put it. Let's check this guy out. I want to see what's underneath of there too. I'm just going to take it out really quick. Hope I don't fry something, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Man, can it be a tighter fit? I think not. Okay. Looks pretty nice. Wow. Look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool. I think it looks pretty sharp. This wasn't the super expensive motherboard. I say super expensive. Wasn't super expensive, but I think it was still $300 or something, right, like that. Which, I don't know, depends on your budget. That could be pretty expensive. If you're a major gamer like some people are, that's a cheap motherboard. Alright, let's see what's underneath of here. It's got ourselves a manual. That's kind of nice, and it's actually a real manual instead of like sometimes they just give you this crap little pamphlet. Yeah, this is nice. Wow. I mean that's kind of cool stuff. Like it's got this certificate of reliability, and it talks about for passing the rigid reliability test of the following components. Bunch of stickers, I believe. Those are cool. That's a nice looking sticker sheet. I know you don't buy a $300 motherboard for the sticker sheet, but just kind of the fun extras that you might get. Pin layouts. This looks like SATA cables. It's got one that's got the little vent connector. So 2 SATAs, one's got it bent, so maybe it fits underneath your motherboard. These are, actually I don't know what that is. Some kind of little piece of plastic, I'll have to look that up. And another one, so I don't know, anti-vibration or something. Who knows? I'll figure it out, I'm sure. Alright, I'm going to put this all back in here. And then we'll move on to the next component. Dude. Did I forget how this goes? I think so. Alright, there we go. That looks good enough? Yeah. I just want to put this back together because I'm not ready to build it just yet. We'll do that here in a second. Put this guy over to the side. Oops, I bumped my monitor. Okay. I'm going to open this either way. We'll just see what it looks like. Let's see if the pencil can get it. The pencil did it. Yes, thank you, pencil. Alright, check this out. Little tiny CPU. $400. Okay, hold on. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. Real shiny. I don't even know if I get it to show you the text, so it's not in focus. Oh well. Put that back together. We don't want to lose this core component here, literally. Put it back in the box. Let's check out this Samsung now. What's this guy going to look like? Yes, come on, pencil. Do me. Don't. Do me a solid. There we go, baby. Okay. I think this is just going to be what you would expect, a little M2. Take it out of here. Wow, look how small these things are. So, sorry, it's a little blurry. I guess I should have turned it on autofocus, but that's crazy. 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes. And it looks like it's really just these two little memories. So 1 terabyte per. My goodness, dude. So a little history because I'm old. My first computer had 20 megabyte hard drive, and it was like a little smaller than this, but it's about the size of this box. It was roughly, 3/4 inch smaller, maybe a little bit tinier, but not a whole lot smaller. This is a 20 meg hard drive right here. It was a, I don't know, it was MFM or RLL, I think was the technology back then. And it made all kinds of noise. You could hear it spin up and clunk and clack, and you could hear it when it read files. Today you can't even hear hard drives. Like, you could actually hear it thinking. Alright, memory, I'm not going to open this until we're ready, but just some basic sticks. I didn't even get any LED stuff. Alright, now the fun part I think is going to be this fan. Look at the size of this box. So one of the things I'm kind of worried about with this is that I'm going to use my old case. I didn't buy a new case. I already have the power supply, and I'll show you. I have a Seasonic 1200 watt power supply, and I already have a nice video card. I have a 3070 Ti, so I'm going to keep that. So I'm going to put all this in the original case, where my 4790 is. All right. Oh, I guess I need to cut this. Boop. Slice. Oh, look at that. Just slides right off. All right. Here we go. Look at this. All right. I don't know why fans are so exciting. Of all these parts, I'm more excited about the mechanical fan. No, I did not get water cooled. Just a standard old fan. Wow, that's a beast though. Check this thing out. Oh, what's that gap? Is that just to keep things from... It's got like this cardboard piece here. You pull it out. And I guess it just has this real small little gap in between. You can kind of see it. I don't know what the deal is with that. This thing is huge. So dual fan, dual radiators. Look at how you can like flex it. Watch this. Woo, that's scary, I guess. Just be careful, I suppose. Looks like you can clip the fans off fairly easy. It's got these little clips, so if they're blowing the wrong way or the way whatever direction I don't want them to blow or whatever, I can rotate it. I don't know what this surface is. It's kind of like, you can see it's got, I mean, those are LEDs reflecting in it, but it's got a weird surface, which is why it's making that look. So it looks pretty cool. It's asking me to remove before installation. All right. It's got all the mounting hardware, I guess, for the various CPU types. Got a little booklet, the AK620 series. Oh, that's a pretty nice little booklet. Props to DeepCool. That was pretty good. Good presentation there for the price, for sure. And it came with some paste, I guess. I also bought some paste. I don't know if one's like better than the other. Probably not. Doesn't probably matter. I don't know why I bought this then. I was making the assumption this didn't have any paste. Whoops. All right, well, put both pastes in there for now. Put this guy back. Yeah, I think it was like this. Boom. Probably right. Guessing. Maybe not. Weird. Maybe I've got it backwards. Yes. It goes like this. Because now you can see the slots. Oh, I guess I should put this back in there. Yeah, whatever. Put it on the side. Doesn't matter because we're going to put it back in the case here in a second. Very nice. I am impressed by this cooler for the price. And I will post what I paid for in the comment. Again, I think it was 50 bucks, but it could be 60, it could be 75. I tend to get those numbers all mixed up. All right, well, I guess that's going to be it for this. I just wanted to show these. I'm going to take my computer, we're going to put it right here, we're going to start putting all the parts in here.